Namaskar and welcome to Bharat This Week, your comprehensive weekly news update. I'm Laura Anika and here are this week's top stories. Rekha Gupta, BJP MLA from Shalimar Bagh, took oath as 9th Chief Minister of Delhi in a grand ceremony at Ram Leela ground in the presence of Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP Chief JP Nadda, senior party leaders on Thursday. Rekha Gupta, the fourth woman to hold the post and the second from BJP after Sushma Swaraj. Former Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das was on Saturday appointed as the second Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Presently, P.K. Mishra, a retired IAS officer of the Gujarat cadre, is serving as the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. Das has also served as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue and Department of Economic Affairs. After his RBI journey, he was appointed as a member of the 15th Finance Commission and G20 Sherpa of India. Government think tank Niti Aayog has formed a committee to create a roadmap aimed at transforming AIIMS, New Delhi, into a premier institution for medical research and practice. The mandate of committee led by Niti Aayog member V.K. Paul involves thoroughly examining the existing systems and processes at AIIMS and proposing significant reforms along with specific timelines for their implementation. Giving prominence to the Noida International Airport, government has allocated nearly 50% of the civil aviation budget for land acquisition in Jewar. Government has sanctioned rupees 1550 crore out of 3152 crore budget for civil aviation for land acquisition. Rehabilitation and resettlement R&R in Jewar for the Noida airport. The commercial operations will begin from April this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be guest of honor for Mauritius' 57th National Day. This was stated by Mauritian Prime Minister Naveen Ramgoolam today. Mauritius commemorates its National Day on March 12th every year. The day marks the anniversary of Mauritius' independence from the British rule in 1968. 4 Indian universities have been featured in the latest Times Higher Education (THE) World Reputation Rankings 2025. The Indian Institute of Science (IISc) in Bengaluru remains India's top performer alongside the IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, and Shiksha Anusandhan. Globally, Harvard University continues its reign at the top for the 14th consecutive year. That's all for this week's edition of Bharat This Week. Stay connected with us for more in-depth coverage and timely updates. Thank you for joining us today. This is Laura Anika signing off. We'll see you again next week. Stay safe and stay informed.